Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're coming on to do the next few pages of my December daily. So today we actually have a full 6x8 photo, and then I'm doing an overlay on top of it. So this is just an acetate sheet paper from my stash. I think it's a Basil Basics one. So I'm lining up the holes because what I did was I went onto my computer and I sized basically I measured the photo of the tree and the width of it, and I sized a triangle to be that size, and then from there I typed my journaling and I printed it on vellum. I think it looks so cute. I do want to add, like, just cut this side off here a little bit because it's just not exactly even. There you go. I'm happier with that now. So I want it to overlay kind of perfectly on there. Now vellum's always really tricky to attach, so I'm actually going to attach it with my stapler, so I'm going to go grab that, but we'll come back to that in a second. So if we then fold this over here, what I'm wanting to do is just a little cluster. So this is obviously my Christmas tree this year. I just want to do a small cluster here at the top, just with a number 7. Okay, I've got this sticker. It's from the Hey Santa collection. It's like a little medallion, so I'm going to pop that one on, and then I'm going to lay out the little banner as well. Again, I am just using hot glue. That on there, and this is number 7, so we're going to just pop our 7 right in that empty space on the little medallion. We pop our 7 on. Got this big ticket stub here that says "'Tis the season to be jolly." I am going to also put this on the photo. Actually, I'm going to do it on the other side to kind of nope, I am going to stick to my decision and do it here. Pop that on, and that is going to be number 7. Just I need to attach the staple to the other one. So we're going to go to 8 for now. So I'll flip it over, and 8 is a photo of my dog, and I'm going to do a very similar thing that I did the other day. I didn't really want to over embellish, over journal with these pages. I wanted it to be really simple, so I'm simply just going to color in this alpha with my paint pen. It's not an alpha, it's a wood chip. I got these years ago. When I say years, I mean maybe 7 years ago, from eBay. They might still sell them, I don't know. Just kind of, you know, look up wood veneer numbers and something will come up. I know they also have bauble ones, which I would love to get some. I'll probably pick some up the next time I do December daily. And I'm just going to pop it right down the bottom. I'm going to glue it on the outside of the page protector this time, just for a little bit of variation between the pages. Okay, so I've got my stapler, so we're going to just line it up as best as we can. Stick the tree on, and then I will just squeeze it with my fingers. Like, it's not going to be perfect, but I don't need it to be perfect. I'm going to pop one here, and I'm going to pop one here. There you go. That is day 7 and day 8. I know it was a really quick spread, so I'm going to try and do day 9 as well. So quick little flip through. We have the start of our book, then our story number 1, which was about presents, a flood. This is a nice kind of almost digital page. It's hybrid. It's got a barcode on the back that you scan. This is some games that I played over the holiday season. Just a really cute page to kind of document pandemic stuff. And then we've got our page here to decorate Christmas cards, then a really cute vellum tree, which when you open, because you can't actually really see the Christmas tree at all, ta-da, Christmas tree, really cute. And then we have our page A, which is the photo of my dog. So I'm going to try and do page 9 really quickly. So page 9, I made it to go like this. So when you open it, it'll open up like that. So it's 9 Christmas movies. Yep, nine Christmas movies, and it is story number 9. So what is going to go in this first pocket here is a sequence mix. It's the same sequence mix that I used on the other page. So I'm just going to pour the sequence mix in. This can be a little bit fiddly, so do be careful. And that is the shaker. What I'm going to do off camera very quickly is what I've done on all my other previous pages, is where I mat the 2 photos back to back together. This is going to take it from looking kind of incomplete to being very complete very quickly. So I'll do that off camera. Okay, so what I've done is I've backed all of them. They're looking like this, really cute. So this is what the spread is going to look like in the album. My thought process is that this is the back of it. There's an empty space that I was going to leave for journaling. I think I'm actually going to flip them all around. You'll see why. So I flipped it around so that I could do my journaling here, and then when you flip it over, you'll see the rest of the movies. Okay, it's a cool idea. So I want to choose some paper to go on here. I have the Haste Painted paper pad. The reason I'm grabbing it is just because it's a more condensed one. I think I want something with blue, because as you can see, there's a lot of blue tones in here. I could just do, I'm going to do this one here. And I want to obviously cut a 2x2 square. And number 9 is done, really simple. So we'll have a quick little look through of what we're up to so far. We have the start with our intentions and my little intro page, which just says Merry Days. Then if you open it up, we have our day 1, really simple page here. I just wanted to document the journaling itself. Then another really simple page. I'm trying to keep this album very simplistic so I can get it done. We have a hybrid page here which has a big chunk of journaling, and then on the back a barcode that you can scan. This is really easy to do, and it's really fun to add an interactive element into your album. So if you're interested to do this and learn how to do it, leave me a comment and I can show a video on how to do that. Then I have a Christmas checklist of all the games that I played, and I also gave them a rating. Then we have our number 5 story here, which is just documenting the pandemic kind of currently at the moment. We've done a really cool shaker and a out of the pocket word. Then on the back, we're documenting a little bit more Christmassy things. We've got Christmas cards and just kind of talking about the Christmas spirit at the moment. And I did this cute little filler card. And we have this kind of like a masking page, which this is a Christmas poem. You can pause the video and read it. It's not one that I wrote myself. I just copy and pasted it. I just used a font that I have on my computer, kind of like a script font, printed it on some vellum, and I matted it on here so that when you open it up, you reveal the Christmas tree. I think it's a really cool effect. Then on story 8, we have just a photo of my dog, and the only way that I documented it was popping on a number. That was it. And then here's 9, which is a spread, which is these 2, which is my 9 favorite Christmas movies. This is a felt piece that I actually made myself. I just drew it up with some lead pencil and stitched it and put some eyelets as reinforcers. So we've got that sequins mix here that we used previously. This is the sequins mix that I'm going to use throughout the album. So as you can see, I've got the 3 Santa Claus movies, Polar Express, then Holiday, Deck the Halls, Christmas with the Cranks, Office Christmas Party, and How the Grinch Stole Christmas. So that is day 9. I'll be coming back on in a couple of days to do day 10 and day 11. So see you soon. Bye.